Okay, Defuse. I'm going to play Defuse on the Commodore 64. First thing I need to do is get it to an 80 cone mode, which I have a little program here that will simulate an 80 column There we go. Now this is a program from More Basic Computer Games from David Ahl from Creative Computing, I believe. This program is 80 columns for the Commodore 64 by Greg Pill and Kevin Martin. Morristown, New Jersey, you're in the government experimental building with 1 million rooms in it. The building has 100 rooms long, 100 rooms wide, and 100 rooms high. It has a bomb hidden in and sends out a signal that gets stronger as you get closer. You have 200 seconds to deactivate it. And this is your signal, 1795.82. And the way to figure this out is yeah, pretty much the last number is from 100. The next one is from 99, and the third one is from 99 also. So you got 18, 4, and 82. 18 added to 82 is 100. And then that shifts it over to 1 over there. Carry the 1. So 96, 4 is 100. Shifts it over. 17, which would be 18, it turns it to 82, and 18 is 100. So you win. I'll show you this again. The signal 42, 10, 45. So the first one would be, let's go 54, be one off, and 10. So that'd be 89, and 42 would be 57. So you got 99, 99, 99. See, I was just one off. If I put 55, comma, 89, comma, 57, boom, the bomb is gone. The bomb is deactivated. Let's see what it looks like when you lose this scenario. 1, comma, 1, comma, 1. Nope. 2, comma, 2, comma, 2. Nope. 3, comma, 3, comma, 3. Nope. 4, comma, 4, comma, 4, 4, comma, 4, comma, 4, 5, comma, 5, comma, 5, 9, 9, 9, 25, 25, 25. I just can't figure this out. I forgot how many, you get like 20 turns to do this. See? Boom, you blew it. The bomb was located at coordinates 83, 93, and 18. Well, that's a fun little basic program. And it is in basic. It's just a quick basic. I don't know when this program came out, back in 1977 maybe, or before. Probably made on a really high-end government computer back in the 50s. But there it is. Bye.